Do you want to seek help from a writing coach but don't have the time to meet one? Don't worry, we have the e-Tutoring service or the Submit a Paper for MBA. You'll know how to do the Submit a Paper service after this video.
Welcome to the TWU Writing Center.
I am Janice from the Writing Center, here to help you with your writing assignments and improve your writing skills.
The writing tutoring services for MBA has three options: face-to-face, online, or you can use the third option, e-Tutoring or Submit a Paper.
So what is Submit a Paper? This service allows you to upload your paper for a writing coach to review. Feedback is usually provided within 1 to 3 business days. For this service, you are not required to be present. All that is required of you is to upload your written work along with any assignment instructions that may be helpful. Here are the steps on how to submit your paper. 1. Go to twu.ca Writing Center. 2. Click on MBA Writing Coaches. 3. Enter your TWU MyPass information. 4. Find the availability of a writing coach. 5. Create new appointment and fill out the appointment details.
6. See or check your appointment. The yellow box is your appointment.
Wow! That was quick, wasn't it? However, it is still recommended that you meet with your writing coach when the feedback is returned to you to further discuss the comments provided. You are now ready to book an appointment. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thank you!